Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to change your Shorts FYP now. Make sure you're signed into the YouTube app and that Shorts viewing history is active. First, open the Shorts feed and act immediately. Tap the three-dot menu on a short and mark Not Interested or choose More videos like this when you want similar content. This combination starts telling YouTube what to downrank and what to promote. Once done, continue actively interacting to reinforce your new preferences. Now refine the algorithm by changing how you interact. Like, save, and subscribe to channels that post the shorts you want to see because YouTube weights engagement. Also search for and watch longer videos on the same topics. Watch time signals interest more strongly than a quick swipe. Make sure to replay or watch multiple related shorts to amplify the signal, and consciously avoid liking or commenting on content you dislike. To complete the switch, either let your sustained interactions reshape the FYP over days, or reset more quickly by clearing or pausing your watch history to remove old signals. Make repeated use of Not Interested on unwanted shorts and prune subscriptions that feed noisy content. If changes don't take effect, troubleshoot. Force close or update the app, sign out and back in, or test on another device to rule out caching. If nothing works, persist with consistent, deliberate engagement patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.